Hello, and welcome back to CoinLady channel. In the 24 hours following the asset's relisting, US support surged, and it recovered all of its 15-month losses. By chance, XRP has caused something that will go down in history. I'll also be taking a look at the number of new accounts opening with you every day to see if it's sustainable. Finally, the Southeastern Conference (SEC) has a major victory over Ripple. Stay with me till the end in order to get additional information. If this sounds like something that would pique your curiosity, don't hesitate to watch this brand new video. In a recent tweet, Nansas, the sister platform to the largest exchange in the world, announced that it was increasing its support for XRP. On Twitter, Biden's team announced the availability of a new XRP conversion pair. According to a recent tweet, our team has expanded the number of currencies that may be converted to and from XRP and ARB. For context, Biden's exchange is a feature that facilitates the instant conversion of users' crypto assets into US dollars. The ability to convert instantly and for no cost is a major selling point. Binance will release his service on April 15, 2022, to meet the rising demand from customers. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more than 20 other cryptocurrencies saw sales. Binance.US currently only supports USDC ADA and USDT conversions. It's notable that the announcement came 2 weeks after beta and US relist XRP on its platform. Remember that NANCH-USD listed XRP on December 20 of 2020, little than a month after the SEC labeled the token as an unregistered security. As of January 13, 2021, NANCH-USD have relisted the token for trade with Coinbase and Kraken in response to the SEC charging Ripple with trading XRP as an unregistered security. It's worth noting that the exchange has exceeded expectations by significantly boosting support for XRP following its inclusion. Increased demand since the beginning of the year has led to more XRP being traded on the market. The currency was not deemed to be a security by Judge Torres on July 13. The asset situation improved and got more intriguing. The total value of XRP exchanged will exceed $117 billion, as was forecasted on March 23. It's fascinating to note that enthusiasm for the currency hasn't waned. As of July 25, 2023, according to estimates from prominent XRP supporter Louis Jackson, 3.2 million XRP accounts had been created. This indicates that on a daily basis, an average of 1,166 new accounts are created. The current value of all XRP accounts is $4.72 million. The XRP scan data suggests of the other $100 billion worth of XRP, $58.27 billion is now in circulation. Ripple is currently holding the remaining $41.99 billion in escrow. There was a loss of 46 million XRP and $11,000. XRP is trading at 69 cents, down 2.5% from its previous close. As of yesterday. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to receive notifications about XRP updates as soon as they occur. Popular crypto researcher Michael Vander Pappy recently tweeted about the incredible narrative of XRP's recent meteoric rise, using the event to foretell something much bigger is on the horizon. According to Pappy, XRP executed a miraculous bullish breakout that reversed 15 months' worth of losses in a single trading day. The acknowledged professional, to illustrate, let's use XRP as an example of a cryptocurrency that experienced a normal bull surge. He stated that XRP was an example of a successful bull breakout. The term bull breakout refers to a sustained, large gain in an asset's price that is typically followed by even further growth. This pattern was laid out on July 13 when a judge in the United States declared that XRP was not a security. The asset's value rose steadily during the course of 24 hours, from about 47 cents to 93 cents. Some, however, raised concerns, questioning whether or not such quick growth could be maintained. After 3 months, one person wondered what would happen if prices dropped. Another Twitter user acknowledged XRP's remarkable resurgence but raised a critical issue. He speculated that many investors would take advantage of such openings to cash out of the market, thereby slowing its ascent by reducing trading activity. In order to mitigate the risks associated with the cryptocurrency market's volatility, XRP-based companies recommend that traders and investors use sound money management and dollar-cost averaging strategies. With DCA, an investor stakes a certain amount of money on a coin on a regular basis, no matter the value of the asset. The crypto analyst believes this strategy would help investors keep more of their money even if prices fall. The seasoned analyst also cautioned XRP investors to resist the temptation to sell in the face of hype on social media. He stressed the value of consistency and identifying whether or not a market is dynamic. Don't let the opinions of your circle of friends or people you met on social media hold and dial CAA. A staggering number of XRP accounts have been activated as of July 25, 2023, according to a recent revelation by Lewis Jackson, a prominent XRP supporter. The sum of these rapidly expanding accounts was announced in a tweet to have surpassed $3.02 million. Jackson claims that the Bitcoin industry as a whole recognizes that this number is greater than 4.7 million. Over 3.2 million XRP accounts have been created, Jackson yelled on July 23, 2020. He elaborated by saying that this number represents 1,166 average daily accounts. An image depicting the rising number of XRP accounts over the past 9 years was also published by the XRP promoter. A skeptic raised an interesting concern concerning potentially misleading aspects of Jackson's findings. The Twitter user pointed out that some users may keep their XRP and other assets across multiple wallets, which might raise the number of accounts and skew the results. Feel free to remark on or challenge Jackson's reasoning behind his usage of the 3.2 million figure. The original poster referenced Jackson's past posts, which reveal a tabular list of more than 4.7 million XRP accounts, and called for consistency and data representation to eliminate confusion. A believer in XRP was perplexed by the lack of a noticeable rise in the asset price despite the stated rise in the number of accounts created. The XRP price has been very stable around 70 cents over the previous week. There are over 4.72 million XRP accounts in existence, according to data from reputable XRP explorers like XRP Scan and XRJoy. In addition, a study from earlier this month stated that more than 138 new addresses would be accepted into the XRP ecosystem during the second quarter of 2018. The vast growth of the XRP ecosystem is reflected in these numbers. As was previously stated, XRP's value and transaction volume have surged as a result of rising investor interest in the digital asset following its historic victory over the American regulator over the past 2 weeks. Does Ripple lose completely now that the SEC won the day? Is the big question. To stay abreast of any XRP-related updates before anybody else, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. John Deaton, an attorney advocating for XRP, recently tweeted that even if the SEC's appeal is successful, Judge Annalisa Torres will still rule the same way in the Ripple case. This was Deaton's response to a tweet from American business magnate Mark Cuban. Cuban said SEC Chairman Gary Gensler knows Bitcoin investors are crypto owners because it helps further Gensler's goal. When asking how many cryptocurrency initiatives are actually operating as legitimate businesses, Cuban raised an excellent argument. The decline in cryptocurrency investment over the past year, Cuban argued, is evidence that many tokens' common enterprise has come to an end. Attorney Deaton chimed in to say that Cuban had a very valid point. He reasoned. Thus so, he said, because the third how was missing. Considered in light of a search for ripples. There was little focus on whether or not the company and the XRP ecosystem share a common business model during the programmable sales process. Deaton specifically argued that it is more difficult for the SEC to meet the Howey common enterprise factor. Deaton claims the judge didn't take the SEC's expert testimony into account. Furthermore, Deaton claims that Ripple presented tens of thousands of testimonies from customers who purchased XRP for reasons other than speculation. You may recall that Judge Torres ruled that Ripple's programmatic XRP should be allowed to proceed since regular investors were not expecting to profit from the company's efforts. Security sales on digital exchanges were not allowed. It must be stressed that the judge's judgment was based entirely on the third factor. Many securities lawyers have said that the Second Circuit will overturn the ruling because the judge made it. Even if the SEC were to win on appeal with respect to the third criteria and how he church acted, Attorney Deaton pointed out, the case would still be before the Second Circuit. After that, Torres can use the how he tests other two parts. He went on to suggest that Judge Torres would likely declare that the SEC's claims that XRP transactions are securities fail to meet the other two conditions, which are the need for an investment of money and the existence of a joint enterprise. According to Deaton's analysis, the court will come to the same conclusion regardless. So, ladies and gentlemen, the video is over. Please subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See you later, bye.